Hello, Eugene. This is John Maslowski with RKI. I wanted to take you through the instrument that was delivered to you on Friday for demo. It is an HF unit, model number SC8000. I'm going to give you two videos, one of just operations and then one of calibration. In order to operate the unit from the off position, you'll notice the power, display, reset, and air. You would just press the power button, let the unit beep once, and it will go through a standard startup. As it works through its startup, it'll go through a series of initial readings and tell you when the last time it was calibrated or how many days left until it needs to be calibrated. Once you're in normal operating mode, you'll have an option to teach all of your users to do a fresh air adjustment. Please do this in an area free of contaminant. And once the system gets to the point where it's in normal operation mode, we'll effectively show you how to do that. The SC8000 is now in normal operation mode. I would ask that you press and hold the air button. It shares with you to hold, and then it shares with you to release the button. From this point, the unit is ready for operation. Hello, Eugene. This is how you calibrate the SC8000. Using your fingers, press and hold the up and down arrow keys and the power key. Let the unit beep once. It's going to ask for a password. Use the enter key to move through the columns to the point where we use 0008. You may use your down arrow key to effectively change those values, hitting enter. Once done, you will enter into the calibration maintenance menu. It starts with date. Use your up arrow key to do an air cal, which is a fresh air adjustment. Press enter. Follow the directions by pushing the air button. Hold that down. It will tell you when to release it. When you are done releasing it, the unit is fresh air adjusted. At this point, you use your up arrow key. You will see auto cal by pressing once. Go ahead and hit it again and go to 1 cal for an individual calibration of the HF sensor. Notice here we have a conversion factor listed, HF equals CL2 times 1.1. That math tells us that we are looking for a span value of 2.2 ppm. By hitting enter, we enter into the calibration mode. By hitting enter again, the unit is now looking for gas. Please use the gas provided with a tube and press it into the gas inlet. And from here, we are going to wait 2 minutes time for those values to get to 2.2. Because this takes too long for the video, I'm going to stop video here and we will pick up with another video. Thank you. Hello, Eugene. We are close to 2.2 ppm. I wanted to stop the video because it was chewing up too much data. At 2.1, what we're going to do is effectively use our up arrow key and make that final adjustment to 2.2. Make that final adjustment back to 2.2 as the up and down arrow keys work, and press enter. It ends. You take off of your cal gas and you go back to the 1 cal maintenance menu item. From here, you can hit your down arrow key. It will say escape. You hit enter, and we're back at the 1 cal again. Now we can use that down arrow key to go to the start function. From here, we will be exiting the maintenance menu back into its normal operation. The unit is calibrated and it has passed. You have 90 days until the next calibration. That value, 90 days, can be changed to any number of days you like. It would then present the end user with a cal limit identifier if in fact they went beyond the number of days that you desire to be calibrated in. With that, I want to thank you for your time and I will follow up.